Alright, what's up, people? Stop me if you heard this one before, but it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do. Well, unfortunately, I do have a job. Okay? Yes, it is Friday, but for me, Friday isn't Friday. For my wife, Friday is Friday. It's their favorite day of the week. For me, it's just another goddamn day. You know what I'm saying? And I have shit to do. One of the things that I have on my playlist here is not playlist, but things to get done is basically I'm going through the images that I have saved. Now, some of these are going to be from me, some of them are going to be, you know, from copied sources. So, what I want to do is I want to go through these and I want to fucking like start trying to delete shit because I really seriously am trying to work on my book of images, which is going to be awesome as fuck. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to go through these. Okay, that's staying, obviously. Staying. It's staying, but no, actually, I don't need it anymore. We can trash that. Move that to trash. Yeah, we can trash that one too. All right. Well, okay. Now, see, here's where we get into a problem, right? Because that image, I actually copyrighted over to Josh. So technically, I'm not allowed to delete that because he owns the copyright. Now you're like, well, what does that mean? I've done that for a lot of people, actually. I think I've given Diane one. I've copyrighted one to Diane. I know I copyrighted one to Tom. I think I might have copyrighted one to Dark Fool. I'm not entirely sure. What that means is I give them the, the right to use that copy. That's what a copyright is. But anything else that I made in here, and you'll be able to tell the difference, is copyright me. So don't try to do it. So let's go. Yeah. Did I buy that? I think I might have just bought that. Not recently. That's staying. Eh. Let's trash that. That's not. I mean, it is what it is, right? Oh, this is Michael Ford. Oh, that's me. Yeah, I wanted to screen cap this because I figured that he might try to delete it. Yeah, it is what it is. We'll trash that. What did I do? Oh yeah, this is where I tagged Josh Sparrow. So what? Who cares? Trash that. That trash has already been taken out. Let's go, man. Come on, let's go. How many times do I have to trash this shit? How many times? Who is this? How many? Oh, Lord Jesus. I must have been in a hurry, like taking this bag out. Okay, she finally came. A little bit smaller than I thought she would be. But yeah, that can go because I have the actual statue now. Yeah, we can stop doing that. Man, I have a lot of screen caps in here. That also came. Also smaller than I expected. Actually, he's smaller than Athena. So Athena might be, let's say, 5.5 inches. This guy's about 3 inches, something like that. They're both beautiful pieces of art, though. So since I have the art, we can move the image to trash. See, here's what I think I need to do. I need to go back here and just start deleting some shit that I don't. Where the fuck are we at, dude? Where did that fucking thing come from? Okay, so yeah, the chili thing can go. That can go. That can actually go. I don't need that. That's in a video, by the way. The 3 vases are not going anywhere. I own the comic, don't need that. My daughter owns that, don't need that. My wife owns those too. I don't think I ever showed this one before, did I? Hold on. Let's see. Yeah. Well, that's got to go. For obvious reasons. No, that one said the Phoenix is definitely staying. Yeah, that's just me showing off a knife, a hatchet, and a sword, and a steak. Actually, that was a salmon steak, and a comic book, and Jamie Foxx and Eddie Murphy. You're not going to get me to ditch Tokyo Lee. That's just not going to happen. Have those 2 comic books. Those are my arts. See, I just want to, that's just me. Shelf, me, ring. We get to at least see me in a little thumbnail of this video. These are all my arts. Let's get rid of that. Don't need that. I don't even think I gave that away, actually. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. I know what that is, but I also gave that away. So we get into the Odins, and I actually went beyond all 4 of them. All right. Yeah, let's get rid of those. I actually own that cross now, so we don't need that anymore. These are my arts. The Coke with the Jason on it, I have to keep that. The 2 green doors, we can get rid of that. Yeah, I have that blade, so we can get rid of that. Twice. Sometimes you're just looking for an angle, because sometimes it'll reflect the weird color on your bitch ass. Yeah, I know this is a crazy video, right? I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit. That's my suitcase. We get rid of that. I own that piece of art now. I also own that piece of art. I own the same piece. That's blurry. Predator saw it. Yeah, saw it. Saw it. Saw it. I own that comic book. I own that movie. Own that bill. Own that bill too. Did I make that one? I think, yeah, I made that, so I'm going to keep it. Anything I made, I'm going to keep. I didn't do the Scooby shit. I didn't make the Scooby shit. Yeah, I made that, but it's just a picture of a book I own. Same thing. Same thing. I don't know what that is. That's not a nipple. Same thing. What the... Oh, that's a banana peel. I never did the banana peel one. I never showed y'all that. That was a funny one. Hold on. Let's go check that one out. No, let's just go check it out. Come on. Can we let's open it. Come on, let's go. Let's open it. Stop doing that. All right, fine. It wants to be deleted. Great. Yeah, we're not going to make this too long. What the fuck is that? That's got to go. What is that? Did I kill something there? Fuck out of here. Yeah. These are all, a lot of these things are, now we're getting more into my stuff. Okay, we can get rid of that. Well, we're never going to get rid of it. We can get rid of the image. I'm just trying to clean this up to, in those comics. Yeah, that's a pretty... Is that a bag of weed? What the fuck is that? Yeah, we can get rid of that. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Oh, that's that Coco thing barking around. Yeah, on that. Tub, on that. More of my art. Let's get rid of that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. I'm not trying to bore anybody, but basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clean this up to where it's mostly... Should I delete Josh's? Yeah, because he either has it or he doesn't. You know what I'm saying? And if he didn't want it, then he doesn't need to have it. And this same thing too. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Yeah, do it. I thought I got rid of that one already. Let's go, man. Move the trash, my dude. Okay, now we're getting better. You know what? I had this rule before. I'm going to have it now. I own the book. I don't need the picture. Same thing here. I own the book. Don't need the picture. Those were just to show what I had gotten. So, yeah, we're getting cleaned up a little bit here, aren't we? No, that's a shopping video, isn't it? Yeah, it's a shopping video. I didn't create it. Like, you can see the ones I created. They're going to say Nova, or like if it says 2025 0 ... whatever, that's me shooting a camera. And some of those aren't going to be in the book unless they're really cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of that one. It'll still be up on my page, or wherever you want to go to buy it. Yeah, unfortunately, I did not create that, so that has to be gotten rid of. Yeah, I thought some of these I actually did get rid of already, like the Palestinian flag. Do I want to get rid of that? No, I said I didn't want to get rid of that. This guy is a guy that nobody got the correct answer to. I asked the question, who is this guy? Nobody had the correct answer. It's Ted Kaczynski, the Unabomber. I know it looks like Sam Cedar, the progressive commentator on YouTube, but no, it's an AI art. Should I leave that in? It's AI. Yeah, it's AI art. I'm gonna leave that in because all of my shit is AI art. So yeah, we might have to make a part 2, or maybe I'll just do it by myself because some things like this one you don't need to see. That's Luigi Mangione, my buddy. I don't know him personally though. So we can get rid of that, and then maybe that. Yeah, let's clean that out. Yeah. We're not getting rid of any Macho Man images yet, because I might have to use them again. Oh, that's the problem. If there's anything I need to use again, I'm fucked. I'm going to have to look it up again. Oh, well. Part 1, cleaning out my fucking spring cleaning. Except it's goddamn the middle of summer.